Hello everyone, and welcome to ADS Features. In this video, we will explore how to install Aero Data Server on macOS. You can retrieve the ADS app file from the following sources: the Aero app website, or from the Aero app DVD. If you're using a Mac with an Apple M-Series chip, you'll need to install Rosetta before installing Aero Data Server. Rosetta helps certain apps run properly on newer Mac computers. Make sure Rosetta is installed and up to date before continuing with the installation. Let's start by visiting the Aero app website, where you can download the app file directly to your computer. Open an internet browser and enter aeroapp.info in the address bar. Hover over Downloads, select Software, then choose Direct Install to Device. At this point, you will be prompted to authenticate. To proceed, you must have a GeoAccess or an Aero user database account. If you select GeoAccess and are a first-time user, you must complete your initial account setup on a CAC-enabled computer with your CAC card inserted. This registration cannot be completed on a mobile device. If you do not yet have an Aero user database account, you must register on the Aero user database registration page. A valid .mil or .gov email address is required. Once authenticated, you will be directed to the download page. Here, you will have access to two app releases, the previous version and the latest version. Select an app build to install. The file will download to your computer. In this section, we will cover how to copy the ADS app file from the Aero app DVD. Note that the DVD also includes aeronautical data for each cycle, which is released every 28 days on a per-cycle basis. First, you'll need to obtain the Aero app DVD. If you are interested in obtaining the Aero app DVD, contact the Defense Logistics Agency. We will start the installation process for macOS users. Before starting, make sure the Aero app DVD is inserted into your Mac. If your computer doesn't have a built-in disk drive, use an external DVD drive instead. Open a Finder window to view the contents of the Aero app DVD. Then open another Finder window where you can temporarily store the ADS app file. In the DVD window, double-click the Apps folder to open it. Copy the ADS app file from the Aero app DVD and paste it into an easy-to-access folder. The file will begin copying to the folder. Once the download is complete, locate the ADS application file on your computer and unzip it. Double-click the app file to begin the installation. This will open the ADS Release Installer. The installer will guide you through the steps needed to install the software. Simply follow the prompts to complete the installation. When the process finishes, close the installation window. After installation, the ADS icon will appear on your computer's menu bar. To access ADS options, left-click the ADS icon. From here, you'll see the following options. Manage, opens, and launches the ADS program. Start, reconnects ADS if the program has been disconnected. Stop, disconnects ADS from the server. Change port shows the current HTTP and HTTPS ports and allows you to modify them if needed. And uninstall permanently deletes ADS from your computer. Click Manage and enter your credentials to sign in to Aero Data Server. Aero Data Server is now ready for use. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Aero app content.